Hello guys, it's your girl Ada and you are welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how I make simple fairness soap. This simple fairness soap I will be using honey, carrot oil, vitamin E oil, glycerin, and I will be using two peels here. I'm using the orange peel powder and the lemon peel powder. So guys, this is my glycerin mint and pour soap. I'm just going to melt it and add my other ingredients to it and mold it. Okay guys, the soap is fully melted now, so I'm just going to add the honey to it. And I'm going to add the peas. This is the orange and lemon peel. You just have to match it so that the peas will melt. And now I'm going to add my carrot oil. Handmade carrot oil, cold press, and my glycerin, just a little, because the mint and pour soap is made of glycerin already, and my vitamin E oil, lemon fragrance oil, so we are done. I'm just going to mold my soap. This is fairness soap. Trust me guys, if you want to use this soap, you have to use this soap at night time, please guys, because of the lemon and the orange peel. You have to use this soap at night time, or if you use it at daytime, make sure you wear sunblock. So this is my mold. Just going to pour it in. Okay guys, I still have a little left. I'm just going to mold it in another plastic. I'm just going to put the remaining in my other mold. So we have to leave our soap to mold for some hours. It will take like 3 to 6 hours or less, because there is no water content in this soap. So maybe like 2 hours our soap will finally mold. Okay guys, see how beautiful our soap is. This soap is very good. You have to use this soap on your face. It's going to remove all the dark spots on your face. It's going to take away the scars on your face and lighten your face. This is our fairness soap. So we have to wait for our soap to mold. Okay guys, this is my soap. See how beautiful my soap is. Wow, I can't take it like this. See how beautiful my soap is. Wow. Oh, it's hard for me to pick. You can see this is my fairness soap. This soap will do wonders on your skin. You see, you can see the oil coming out from the soap. I like to use a lot of oil on my face wash because I don't like my face to be dried after washing my face. You can see how beautiful our soap is. You can see how beautiful it is, guys. Okay guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and leave your comments below and tell me what you think about this soap. I love you guys. See you in my other next video. I will be uploading my hibiscus face cream. Ciao.